Hi, my name is Jeff Del Rosa. I'm the founder of ProMAXX. We're a company that seeks out challenging and problematic repairs. To that end, we developed a device to help you remove exhaust manifold studs that are broken, that are inherent or stuck in the cylinder heads of Ford, Chevrolet, and Dodge engines. Let me introduce you to the Rocky tool. We make this tool out of solid aluminum, aluminum 6061 plate as a matter of fact, the same grade of aluminum used in aircraft construction. We make it flat on a CNC machine within 0.03 of an inch. We then go ahead and we put a drill depth gauge on your right-hand side. This depth gauge allows you to determine the exact precise depth of your drill bit. That way you can't possibly go into the head or the water jackets and ruin the cylinder head. Next, we press fit a hardened steel drill bushing for your pilot. What that does is give you precise alignment within about 0.03 of an inch as well. Secondarily, we can get you 1 degree of perpendicularity within the stud. I'm going to go ahead and bolt the Rocky tool up here using my special ProFast fasteners. They're precision-made stainless steel, and they center the tool, but they also provide stability, and all they have to be done is finger tight. Once I got them there, I take my drill chuck, my bit's already set, simply put it in the drill guide, and go ahead and use your 1/4-inch drive air ratchet to start drilling. Yes, I said 1/4-inch drive air ratchet. We utilize a 1/4-inch drive air ratchet where access is very, very challenging. That alone will help save some time and, of course, money. Brett's pulling the plate off now. We've finished drilling the hole, as you can see. Went pretty quick. It's about 15-20 seconds we were through. And now we're just going to go ahead and pull the plate out and get ready to burn. Take some of the stud off. Brett has the protractor in now, and we're just going to go ahead and grab a ratchet and see if we can break that thing loose and get it moving. There we go. Success. Let me review. Put your plate up. 15 to 25 seconds to drill it. A few seconds to deburr it, and about 1.5 to 2 minutes to remove it. There you have it. We turn a job that's challenging and problematic into a real simple job to complete. To get to areas that are limited in terms of accessibility, we've come up with what we call the Pro Chuck. This little device allows you to turn your standard 1/4-inch drive air ratchet into a very powerful angle drill. Comparing this to a standard angle drill that you may have in your toolbox, you can see there's about 1.25 inch additional clearance. But what's most important about this application is by chucking my drill bit inside the chuck first, what I can do to save even more space and more real estate is simply remove my chuck, insert it into my plate, and then sneak my ratchet in. That allows me to go in with just this versus this package, which is still much, much smaller than this. Much more efficient, much more effective. One of the other issues involved in this repair is the inherent burr that's caused when the manifold finally snaps the stud for the last time. It's almost like the coil spring. If you think about a coil spring unwinding as the stud starts to stretch, it finally breaks the last coil, leaving a burr on the end of the stud. That actually lodges itself into the cylinder head, or otherwise, when you're starting to back it out, it lodges itself in the corroded part of the aluminum. We've come up with a solution for that problem as well. We call it the Pro Cutter. This little device, simply put, in 4 and 5 seconds, goes in to the hole that you just drilled. So in application, I drill my hole with my Rocky tool. I'm going to pull my plate down, and then the next operation is I'm going to use my Pro Cutter to go in the hole I just bored, and in 4 or 5 seconds, it will remove the burr that often causes it to restrict the removal of the stud. Fast and efficiently, 4 to 5 seconds is all it takes, and it's ready to come out. You've seen me mount the tool with 2 fasteners, and it's not unusual to find 3 broken studs in the top or bottom of the cylinder head. We solved that problem too. All you need is one open tap hole where a stud has been removed to mount the tool. We simply, in lieu of the Pro Fastener, in this case, we have a stud broken off below the surface. We manufacture a solid stainless steel pin that's chamfered to match the chamfer in the cylinder head. We then snug fit to the plate, and all you need to do is move the plate around until the pin drops into the chamfer. Tighten the center fastener down, and you're good to go. Drill this one, extract it. Now what I can do is use this open hole to mount the plate and remove this one. The Pro Pin provides you easy removal with only one open tap hole. In the ProMAXX kit comes specially designed and engineered machine tooling. Yes, it looks like a drill bit, but unlike most drill bits that are stamped steel, typically made offshore, these are manufactured right here in the United States. More importantly, they're manufactured on a lathe. They're turned. These drill accurately and quickly in all types of steel, particularly those hard studs in both diesel engines and Ford gas engines, as well as General Motors engines. These drill straight and true, up to Rockwell 50, where most drill bits stop drilling at Rockwell 30. Hard steel, fast, effectively, and accurately.